Introducing the 2024 Volvo Xc60 T6 Phev Ulimate Bright AWD 5 door in sleek grey. This hybrid beauty boasts a powerful 2-litre engine running on petrol plug-in hybrid electric paired with automatic transmission. Packed with luxury and safety features like ambient lighting, cruise control, 360 view camera, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures a smooth and secure ride. With a range of convenience features including Wi-Fi, satellite navigation, and voice control, every journey will be a breeze. And with styling details like a glass roof, spoiler, and roof rails, this Volvo is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured, this vehicle has been fully checked, serviced, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this top-of-the-line Volvo.